back to my channel. My name is Cassandra and you are? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassandra and today I have this makeup look for you guys. I have two kind of lipstick that I will show you to wear. That will show you at the end. This is my favorite video. Please let me know what kind of lipstick do you think it goes better with this makeup look. Just let me know in the comment box below so I know. So today I'm gonna do I want to show you some products that I bought that I've been trying and I wanted to share with you guys. So the first product is the Burgandy bar. The palette. I really like this one, and the other one is the Maybelline 24 Hours foundation. Is this one, and the other one is a concealer. It's from NYX Studio. Concealer that I want to show you, and I want to do my makeup using this brush. So if you watch my previous videos, I use this e.l.f. eyebrow cream, and I'm in love with this product. It's very good and it lasts a lot. So if you noticed me before, I always do this expression, like mean kind of expression, and then so I can define my eyebrows. Then I like to get my concealer, and I want it to go around my eyebrows. I'm going to use my eye primer, and I'm going to use the Smashbox. If you want your eyeshadow to last all day, this is the best eye primer. So I'm going to use my brushes. I have these brushes for about 9 months already, and I don't know if I always forgot to use it, so I'm gonna try it for the first time with you guys. So I'm gonna use the lip brush. I love the color, it's like rose gold. So I'm gonna use this one. I think for my eyes I'm gonna use my brushes because I don't like this one. I might use it for something else. You know, my favorite lid brush is this one for Real Techniques 2007, and all my videos use this brush. And then I'm going to use my pointy brush. This is from Glamorous Doll. That's all I need to say. I got this in Ipsy. I really like it. I'm going to use this dark brown. Let me know if you have used this palette and what do you think about the palette, if you like it or not. A little bit, and then I just shake my brush to eliminate the excess. So I'm gonna use this burgundy, like light red. now with a clean brush, I'm going to blend all the colors together. And now, with another clean brush, I'm going to grab another this sparkly, and I'm going to put it only on the center of my eyelid. This one, that's the one. And I'm gonna put it on my third corner of my eye. I'm gonna use another flat brush, and I'm going to grab this white color. It's very pigmented, so you should be careful. And I'm gonna put that on my eyebrow bone. And with the pointed brush, I have this one. I'm gonna grab more of the dark brown color, shake it, and I'm gonna put it just in the corner, just right here, nothing more. And now I'm going to do my eyeliner. I'm using this, this is a new one, the Stila liquid eyeliner, and I'm in love. It's waterproof. I really like this one. For this look, I won't wear fake eyelashes, so I'm just going to use, this Maybelline, and I got these in Ipsy. They are real. It's from Benefit. I'm going to apply the Benefit first on my eyelashes. And I'm going to add the Maybelline. So I already primed my face. I want to try this glow illuminator. It says you can use under the foundation or on top of the foundation. So I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use under my foundation, and this is from Mana. It doesn't look pretty. I'm going to mix my Maybelline, my favorite foundation, with the new, actually they're both Maybelline, yeah. My two favorite, my favorite Maybelline with the new one. This is a 24 hours. So I'm gonna shake it. Oh, that's good. I need to mix these ones because this one is too dark for my skin. And I'm gonna apply a little bit of this because it's too dark. And then what I do, I get at the end of any brush, and I just mix them. I'm gonna use the bigger foundation brush, the blusher. This brush, it does pretty good. I really like it. Combination of the foundation, it's very nice. It leaves my skin like soft. I will do a close-up so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna do concealer, and I'm using the NYX concealer, and this is in the color beige. I don't know. Do I look good? Yeah. Wow. I'm impressed. I'm gonna bronze, and I'm using a lot of Maybelline products. This is the contour brush. It's very tiny, but I'm gonna use that for my nose. Okay. Oh, the last is my blush. And I'm using this Tarte blush in the color Beige Tea. I'm gonna use this big, I think that's the big one, and this is for powder. I'm going to remove a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one for my highlighter, and I'm gonna use my Stila highlighter. I forgot to put my setting powder. I got this I think it's Ipsy. I'm gonna use the concealer brush, and it's 5x Pores Presser, and I love this powder. They broke, so it's just it's white. I really like these powders. And I'm going to use the big brush. I think I'm done. I don't know. I feel like I need more highlighter. What do you guys think? I think I do. So I want to focus on my eyes. I want all the attention on my eyes. So I want to do a very nude color. So I'm going to use this So Susan color lipstick. It's in the shade Pumpkin matte lipstick. I think I showed you before. Yes, I wear this lipstick in my new hair and new look for 2018 video. If you want to check it out, I will leave the link somewhere over here so you guys can go check it out. And yeah. So this is the other lipstick I want to try. This is what I end up So that's all that I want to show you guys. I really hope you like the video and subscribe to my channel somewhere over here. And yeah, that's all that I want to show you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Adios.
Adios.
Los quiero.
Te quiero.
Quiero mucho.
Amo mucho.